Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Calendly to your WordPress site. Basically how to embed it on your site. So first of all, you want to, of course, create an account and create an event. So let's do a one-on-one, click next, event color. Now you continue and let's name an event. After that, you want to do a scheduling day, so let's leave it like it is. And that's basically it. Now you want to share it and you want to click right here, add to website. Let's choose inline embed. And now, as you can see, you have a code right here. So you want to copy this code and go to your WordPress. Now you want to go to the pages and choose a page where you want the schedule to be. So let's delete some of the codes here and let's add a code. So you want to actually use a custom HTML and write it right here. And like that, it will put your Calendly. Let's update it and let's go to the website. Now, as you can see, here it is. People can choose basically hours and so on. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you put a code from Calendly to WordPress. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.